Scientists thrive in high security labs, but are the labs demanding safety actually safe? The answer is no, but this is where GaitKeep stands in. We ensure lab security by gait recognition. In the world today, there are 59 biosafety level 4 labs that handle the deadliest diseases. However, only 25% of countries with biosafety level 4 labs received high scores for biosafety and biosecurity. For nuclear and biomedical labs, there exists a grave risk of contamination, whether it be biological or radioactive. People who are contaminated with a certain material can contaminate other people or surfaces they touch. All of these types of contamination can be minimized through one essential method: minimizing contact. Gait recognition is a form of behavioral biometric authentication that allows to verify and recognize people just from their walking style and pace. Our aiming prototype is a gait-recognizing laboratory door system that automatically opens doors when the researcher's identity is confirmed and authorized with gait recognition systems. Researchers who are authorized to enter the high-standard labs or clean rooms can directly be recognized with their gait and allowed in without physical contact with the entrance without taking off their masks or gloves. The demand for minimized contact within biomedical lab facilities, in addition to the need for proper identification and authentication of lab workers, can be met with the integration of GaitKeep systems. But how does the system work?
For a system of GaitKeep, we developed our own deep learning model algorithm, including deep learning, human segmentation, and gait recognition, which are all technologies that already exist. Thus, although gait recognition technology is already existing, we have developed our own deep learning algorithms belonging to GaitKeep as intellectual property. To build a gait recognition system, a large dataset of gait videos is required. Deep learning models are then trained to learn patterns specific to different individuals' gaits. Because machine learning requires lots of data, we have used more than 100k samples gait videos to train the system. These models learn to recognize unique walking styles from the input data. Our technology has been rigorously tested and we found that it has 97% accuracy rate.
The physical prototype consists of two parts, this being the Arduino Uno circuit and the computer. Through the Arduino, we program the servo motor, which plays a role of door lock. The source code is run on the computer, and when the algorithm grants access to the person walking, the door lock switch is open. The Arduino can be replaced by any door lock system in the future for improved applications and simultaneous detection.
But how does GaitKeep create a blue ocean market in the industry? The current most popular biometric security system make use of fingerprints and facial recognition systems. Now we'll get into what the deficiencies are for these competitors in the market. Firstly, the fingerprint authentication method requires contact and is inconvenient considering the gloves worn by researchers. It is used by our top competitors in the market, like Desi Alarm and security systems. Secondly, facial recognition method requires close-ups. It is not convenient with masks worn by researchers, and divergent error rates occur across demographic groups. A study by NIST found that many facial recognition algorithms falsely identifies African American and Asian faces 10 to 100 times more likely than Caucasian faces. This system is used by other top competitors like SwiftLink control systems. It can be said that although gait recognition is an existing field of research, GaitKeep is the first to use gait identification technology in the public business market for non-research purposes and entrance verification. Thus, it can be confidently said that GaitKeep pioneers as an innovative blue ocean strategy by making previous competitions irrelevant through the introduction of a never-suggested-before approach to employing existing technology in the field of lab security.
But how does GaitKeep fight for new demand and create new customer opportunities? In our current market focus, we primarily target lab facilities with a strong emphasis on biomedical labs. Initially, nuclear labs represent our first tier of non-customers. We anticipate that as the GaitKeep system demonstrates success in biomedical labs, nuclear labs will likely adopt it as well. Our second tier of potential users are school dormitories and private residences. We recognize that widespread adoption may take time. However, as the technology continues to improve, there is potential for it to be employed in residential areas. Concerning the third tier, unexplored markets may include military applications. However, for these systems to be implemented in military bases and settings, they must undergo rigorous testing to ensure the highest level of security. While this process also may take time, the demand for quick and secure entrance, especially in emergencies, makes a necessary consideration for military use. Here is the ERRC grid that illustrates all the aspects we've discussed in a table format.
The identity verification market, which is GaitKeep's market, has a CAGR of more than 20% and is projected to have a market size of more than $55 billion by 2032. GaitKeep's primary customers are door companies that supply scientifically designed doors to laboratories for partnerships. Our systems are designed to operate on a convenient subscription model, offering users the opportunity to access our services with ease and affordability. In essence, GaitKeep not only meets the current demands for the industry, but also pioneers a new era of security solutions, differentiating itself from competitors through the utilization of the novel technology of gait recognition. We aspire to redefine the standards of laboratory security.